Hi guys, I'm Laura Vitale, and on this episode of Laura in the Kitchen, I want to share with you, it's a recipe, but I'm not even going to call it that. It's a fabulous idea, something that you can put together very last minute, perfect for kids. It's what I call, well, not just mine, but it's a cookie dough dip. Everyone that I know loves raw cookie dough. Now, it's not something that I advise you snack on because there's raw eggs in it and there's raw flour. So I thought, why don't we make a dip version, which I've been seeing everywhere. And I thought, you know what's really great about this? Easter is around the corner, pretty much. How fabulous would it be for you to make something like this so you can have your kids help you because there's no baking involved, and have this be something that you pick at when everybody's over. I typically love my cannoli dip for that sort of thing, for like a game night or something like that, but this is your next best thing if you are a lover of cookie dough. The list of ingredients is short and sweet. You might already have all of them on hand, so I'm thrilled to share this with you. You'll need cream cheese and butter, both softened at room temperature. You'll need powdered sugar, brown sugar, semi-sweet mini chocolate chips, a little heavy cream, some vanilla extract, a small pinch of salt, and the cookies of your choice to dip in. If that's not easy, then I don't know what is. This is great, like I said, to get your kids involved in. Mia loves to be in the kitchen. She's napping right now, or I would have her in here with me. Thumbs up this video. Let me know down below if I should make that a weekly thing, have Mia pop in and out. She loves to be in the kitchen. She loves to cook, but obviously I don't want her to be near the stove. But this is great because she loves to mix and mix and mix, and so you can have them have at it. It's fabulous. Like I said, no cooking, all pleasure, no work. I'm a queen of that. All right, let's get started. I'm going to use a handheld electric whisk for this, and what I want to work on first and making sure that I whip together the butter and the cream cheese so that it's nice and soft. Okay, I'm just going to add in some vanilla. I'm just going to shake my vanilla to make sure I get all the beans in there. And I'm going to add in the brown sugar and the salt, just a small pinch. And I'm going to just cream this together well because I want to make sure that there are as few lumps as possible in the brown sugar. And I'm just going to let that go, and then we'll continue. Drizzle in a little heavy cream. Get that combined. You'll need 2 to 3 tablespoons of heavy cream. That all in there. And now just whisk in your powdered sugar. Woo! Hold on. Hold on, slow it down. That is perfect. And now you just stir in your mini chocolate chips. And look at that. You have transformed a few ingredients into the most delicious, creamy dip. Now, you may be thinking it's a little runny, which it isn't. It's a dip. But if you're going to pop this into the fridge, which my recommendation is to pop it into the fridge for a little bit before you serve it, although I do like it more at room temperature because it's nice and creamy and delightful, then it will thicken. So you've got to give it a little bit of movement. You need to have a little bit of that creaminess before you pop it in the fridge. Otherwise, it just gets way too hard. Now, like I said, I really like this at room temperature because you get the creamy factor that you just cannot understand. Graham crackers, I even like chocolate graham crackers for this. I will eat this on my shoelaces. I will eat this on a rubber spatula. I will just eat it on whatever because it is delicious. Opposite side. No words for how good this is. I'm telling you, if you love cookie dough, this will be your best friend forever. I need that to get away from me because it's going to be a bad idea. Maybe one more will kill me. LauraInTheKitchen.com. We'll have the recipe for you down below. Let me know your favorite sweet dips that you think I should recreate, because sweet dips are like my next best thing, like my next favorite thing next to chocolate. I adore it. I'm obsessed with them, and I want to make as many as possible. Comment down below what you think I should make next, and I will see you next time. Bye.